Hi, my name is Joe Santilli, and I'm from DDS. I'm going to give you a brief description of what's going on up here on the roof today. As you see, it's a pretty big job. It's 85,000 square feet. We're out here in Vineland, New Jersey. We got guys up here rolling out some product. This product is a high solid silicone. And we recommended a silicone because there's some ponding water on the roof. As you see, some of the drains there are little dark spots. That's where the water was sitting. And like I said, we recommended silicone to hold the water, and it'll also restore and add some lifespan to the roof. And we will also repair any active leaks. And we did some power washing beforehand to make sure we get a proper adhesion. We want it nice and clean. Now, there are other recommendations we offered as well. You got TPO, EPDM, PVC. We even said we could, torch down another layer. This is modified bitumen right now that's existing. You could have put another layer down on top. You would have had to put some primer down or another base sheet, but we could have done that as well. There's also some smaller roofs over there across 4 bays over there that we're also doing as well as this roof. But yeah, we've been doing this for a long time. I mean, there's not too much we haven't seen or haven't experienced. But what makes us different from any other roofing company is that we're gonna give you the personalized attention. You're gonna have me, the owner's son, on your project, or you'll have one of our other highly experienced roofers there. These guys have been working with DDS for close to 10 years. So their eyes are very keen on what to pick up and what to look for. And it's family owned and operated since 1977. So you're really gonna get that personalized attention that you seek and that you deserve as a customer. Look at our website, ddsrpc.com. You'll see some other projects. Or you can call the office, 856-228-1700. And if you want to speak directly to me when you call the office, you ask for Joe Santilli. Thanks.